Hi guys, welcome to another video. I'm Jay. This is my channel Make Money with Jay, and I upload videos of like KDP, Etsy, do affiliate marketing. I give away free printables and colouring pages over my website, and I share all what I'm doing and what I'm earning in that guys. So today I'm just going to look at passive income in 2022, my KDP income report. Yeah, and if you're new here, thank you for coming, and hope you check out some of my videos. Like here, I'm giving away free interviews. I show you how to make them. I show you where to get them from and stuff like that. I also upload videos how to make money with video creation tools. But let's get into it, guys. This is my channel. Yeah, it's only a small channel, but on Etsy, I create printables, and if you look, it's like a passive income because you do the work once, you upload it to Etsy, yeah, and then hopefully you make some sales. And this is like today, I've made £16.50 so far, and my channel's only small, yeah. So I'm making printables. If you want to look at how I make the printables, feel free to come and look at check out my videos, guys. Now over on KDP, this has been crazy. I created a book on I think it was the 28th of April, and then May, it's just been doing awesome. So like 3 sales there, 4 there, 2 there, 4 there, and then a couple of days of 10, yeah. And then every day I'm still making sales. My best one so far has been on the 18th of May. I sold 17 books, and it's just one book. Yeah, this is just one book going crazy, and I have got other books on there. I've not got hundreds. I've got less than 100 actually. I've got about 80 books, and they don't all sell. And it's just about since I started doing more research and niche research, which I share in these videos here with the red arrows on. Yeah, I share the topic. I'm not sure which one it is. I can't remember which one it is because there's 2 videos here. There's 2 here, and then these ones are like hot niches and that, yeah. But on one of them, I share the actual niche that I created this book in. So feel free to watch those videos and create books on the niches I've shared in there, because you might get some good results like this as well, guys. Yeah. Now, affiliate marketing. I have not created any videos on video creation tools for a long time, yeah. And one of the videos seems to be making me these commissions, yeah, like £33.50, yeah, £46, and that it's just every month or every couple of, yeah. So every month I'm getting this recurring £11, and then every now and again I'll get another sale. It's awesome, guys, yeah. And same with this one on JV Zoo, affiliate marketing. I've not made any videos. Like, if you check my channel, you will see all my videos lately are not promoting or mentioning affiliate marketing. So if you check out my older videos, if it even lets me show that, see, this is how far it is. I can't even find the videos, but my older videos are a lot more about making money with video creation tools, yeah. And they're the ones what are making me the affiliate marketing, because I'm promoting the product and people might be enjoying it and testing it out and buying it, signing up for it, etc. But all the latest videos of my Etsy and KDP, which I'm making sales daily and making sales, guys, yeah. So you do the work once, yeah, and then you move on to the next thing, and then in time, hopefully, people start seeing them and buying them, so that you're making money, and then that is great passive income, guys. For so long, I tried lots of different ways. I heard on YouTube like, "Oh, this is the best way to make money. Get rich doing this." So I tried it, yeah, and I failed miserably. But now I'm happy making printables, sharing free ideas, making books, yeah, doing things what I like doing, and just doing the work, uploading it, and then moving on to the next, guys, yeah. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. I will keep you updated. I'm very transparent. If you want to learn more, maybe I'll share the niche, the niche and the book. Maybe I'll share the book. Yeah. Feel free. And if you want any of these free printables, go over to my website, which is thechristmaseverydayclub.com. Just minus the, it's christmaseverydayclub.com. I will leave a link in the description if you want, and you can come and get lots of free. You scroll down, colouring pages, yeah, you get some activity pages, printable party games, etc., guys. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. Yeah, say hello. And till next time, guys, thanks very much for watching. Goodbye.